How to cut in iMovie. First of all, you need to make sure that the clips that you would like to cut are placed here in the timeline. If you only have them in the media section, you would need to click on it and then drag it onto the timeline first. Now when you hover over your video clip here with the mouse without actually clicking anything, you will see this white vertical line following. And the easiest way for you now to cut in iMovie is to simply move this white line to the desired position and then simply press Command and B on your Mac to perform a cut. Zack, zack, zack. And just like that, we successfully cut our footage. Now the second way to split the clip in iMovie is to actually go to the desired position and then left click, and what this will do, it will set the playhead to that very position, and once you've done that, you can right click on the clip and then click on split clip. But this method is obviously a little bit slower and needs more clicks. I would highly advise you to just use your mouse, go to the place where you would like to perform the cut, and then press Command and B to perform a cut. However, as you have maybe seen, this indeed cuts our video footage here, but it didn't cut our audio here. So there are two things that are important. First of all, let's say you just want to cut audio regardless of the video clip above, then you could always do that by first left clicking on the audio, and then you can actually use the very same method, just move your mouse and then simply press Command and B to make a cut. But sometimes you would maybe want to make a cut at the very same position for the video clip and the audio clip. That can also be done. In order to do that, you would first left click and then drag over both of the clips. And now when you move the mouse to the desired position and then press Command and B on your keyboard, the cut will actually slide through both the video clip and the audio clip, as you can see here. So let me make a few more. Zack, zack, zack. And as you can see, in all of these cases, we have a perfect cut both on the video clip and on the audio clip in the very same position. And this is how you cut in iMovie. I hope you did indeed enjoy this video. If you did, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Have a good one. Bye.